Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this yummy crab dip with wonton chips, perfect for the Super Bowl. I have imitation crab here in a pan. Add butter, 8 ounces of crab meat in, saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the imitation crab and Cajun seasonings and set aside. In a bowl, combine cream cheese, lemon zest and juice, Worcestershire sauce, Colby Jack cheese, 1/4 cup mayo, chives, and mix all together. Season with salt and pepper, transfer to a heat-safe pan. Top with more cheese, salt and pepper. We're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Now I'm frying up the wonton wrappers in some oil. Ooh, look at this. It looks so good. Let's try it. It's so good.